In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can screen record your Samsung Galaxy device for free without installing any app from the Google Play Store. What you need to do first is this only works if you have a Samsung Galaxy S9 and newer. This does not work for a Galaxy S8 and below because you cannot screen record for free. You need to install an app to screen record on your Samsung Galaxy S8 and below. I'll show you that in a minute. Now, what you want to do is you want to head over to your smartphone and open up your smartphone or slide to unlock. And then what you need to do is scroll down on the notification center, scroll down, and then scroll down again to where you have all your widgets. Then what you need to do is scroll to the left to where you have all your widgets, and then you're going to be seeing screen recording. I do not recommend that you start a screen recording just yet. What you need to do is you need to hard press on the screen recording, and then it's going to be bringing you to the settings for the screen recording. So hard press on the screen recording. Then it says screen recording settings. I'm going to be showing you all the settings that you need to press before you screen record. On the sound, you have no sound, media sound, which that's the video. If you're playing a video, the video is going to be showing on the screen. And you have media sound and mic. You have the media sound and mic. That means that your video that you play is going to be showing up on screen, and the microphone from your Samsung Galaxy device is going to be picking up the sound coming out of the phone. And you also have video quality, which is 1080p, 720p, or 480p. I recommend if you want high quality video to add 1080p. Do not do anything lower than 720p or 480p. Now, you have where it says selfie, video, and size. That's for the selfie camera in case you want to record your face. If you're doing a reaction video and you want to record your face, I'll show you what this means. You see, when I scroll large, the face for the webcam or the selfie cam is going to get large. If I want it small, then it's going to go small. I'm going to keep it at normal. And once you figure out the settings you want to do for your screen recording, once you figure them out, what you need to do now is you need to exit out of the screen recording, and then scroll down on the notification again, and then scroll down to the notification again, then scroll to where you have the screen recording setting again. And then now we're going to be screen recording on your Galaxy device. So I'm going to be screen recording, press the screen recording, and then when you press the screen recording, this little warning should pop up right here. It says right here, start recording with the screen recorder. Screen recorder will have access to all of the following information that is visible on your screen or played from your phone while recording. This includes information such as password, payment, details, photos, messages, and audio that you play. So if you do not want anything to be shown, make sure you do not show any information that is hidden that you do not want people to see when you screen record. Now you have the sound settings. I'm going to click media, sound, and mic. Then right here you can click on the start recording. Then it gives you a 3-second countdown to get started for your screen recording. Now I can do anything I want on my screen, and it's going to be showing up for the screen recording. Now on the right hand side corner, you're going to be seeing these 3 widgets right here. What you need to do is I'm going to be showing you what these are. If you want to draw on the screen, you can click on the pencil icon, and then it's going to be drawing on the screen. You see, I am drawing on the screen, and then it's going to be showing up on the screen. You see. Now if you want to remove it, you can click right here where it says the back arrow right there. You see, then it removes your drawing that you have. If you want to change the color, you can change the color right here by clicking where it says the blue icon right here, and then you have a bunch of colors: white, black, red, yellow, green, blue, and purple, and then light purple or pink. Then if you want to change the pencil icon, you can click on the pencil icon, and then it's not going to be coloring on your screen anymore when you don't click the pencil icon anymore. You see, the pencil icon does not let you draw on your screen. Now, if you want to have the screen for the face cam, if you want to have a face cam, what you need to do is click right here on the screen, and then click where you see this little person icon. Click that, and then you see the face icon is showing up for your screen recording on your screen for the screen recording. You see the face cam, you can move the face cam anywhere you want for the screen recording. You see, now I'm going to be showing you what you can do with the screen recording. You see, I am moving on the screen, and everything I am showing on the screen is going to be popping up right here on the screen. That means that we can screen record on the screen with your smartphone. Now, if you want to remove the face cam because you do not want it on your screen, what you need to do is click on the face cam again by clicking this person icon right there. Now, what we need to do is, if you want to remove the screen recording because you are done screen recording, what you need to do is you can click this little stop icon right here. But before we do that, what you need to do is scroll to the notification center, and then you're going to be seeing right here, it says tap here to stop screen recording. You have two ways to stop the screen recording on your Galaxy device. So I'm going to be stopping it right here, or you can stop it right here from the widget right here that you have. Now I stopped it because I pressed the stop button, and then what you need to do is scroll on to the notification, and then you see when you stop your video, it says video saved. Tap here to see the screen recording. You can tap here to see the screen recording, or you can go to the gallery on your Galaxy device to find where you have your video saved for your screen recording. You see, I'm gonna click gallery, and then it says deny. Then you have all the screen recordings you made are on your screen. You see, the video is playing for the screen recording. You can play it right here. Now your screen recording video you did earlier should start playing on your screen. Now you can pause this video, and now what I'm going to be showing you is I'm going to be showing you why you cannot screen record for free on your Galaxy S7 and below devices, because you need to install an app from the Google Play Store. You need to install this app on the Google Play Store, that's AZ Screen Recorder. You see, on my Galaxy S7, I head over to the Google Play Store, and I'm going to be clicking right here, and I'm going to be searching for AZ Screen Recorder right there. AZ Screen Recorder is the recorder that pops up for the screen recording that you need to do on your Galaxy S7, because the Galaxy S7 does not come with a free screen recorder built in. You see, I'm going to head to the notification center, and I'm going to scroll on the widgets and then scroll to the right, and then you see there's no widgets for the screen recording right here. I'm going to scroll to the left again, and then you see there's no screen recording widgets available. What you need to do is, you have an older Samsung device, you're going to need to install this app from the Google Play Store that is AZ Screen Recorder. If you don't know how to use this application called AZ Screen Recorder, I made a video prior to using AZ Screen Recorder in case you do not know how to use AZ Screen Recorder. So that's it for this video, guys, on how to screen record on your Samsung Galaxy device. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones on how to screen record on your Galaxy device.